Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the merged version of Spider-Man 2099 and Chainsaw Man in one character. So let's get started. It's going to be for beginners, and it's going to be really short. So stay till the end. Let's do it. I'm going to go right here, and I'm going to start with kind of the shape right here of kind of where his eye is. Kind of like it's slightly curved in. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to pull out for kind of where the nose is going to be, the mask. And then pull down here for the chin area. Pull back. Line up over here, the forehead. Right on. By the way, if you like these mixtures, hit the like button, okay? I put them up every Friday. I mix two characters into one. Definitely do that if you can. Curve over here at the back of the head. In. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull up for the jaw, curve for the back of the jaw there. Cool, cool. I'm gonna pull a line underneath here for the throat. Down over here for the neck, right there, the Adam's apple, line down. Line right here for back of the neck. Right on. So let's get over here into the actual kind of design on the mask. They did simplify it from the comic. I mean, obviously there's different versions of it, so we're gonna pull up. It's gonna have a little bit of a hook here, like that. And a lot of this is curved flat. Pulling up, down. Right here. Alrighty. Pull up here. Down over here. Pull up. Down. There we go. Right on. Now, let's kind of move into the chainsaw part of it. So we're going to go right here. Line out. Going to go over here. Line out. Curve over here along the edge. Chainsaw there. Line. Line. Kind of chainsaw part of it, and we're gonna curve it as well. Right on, right on. Line right here for kind of the bright makeups of the chain on the chainsaw. Don't forget, by the way, we have a lot of cool playlists. One of them is entirely on Spider-Man characters. There's another one on mixtures of characters, so go take a look at that when you have time. Gonna go over here, down, down, down. Right here, throwing the spikes. You can match the chains there. And all they are is just regular rectangles. That's it. They're just extremely regular, average rectangles. Cool, cool. And we're gonna draw the little spikes in between that angle right here. See, there's like a right here, but they angle. They're smaller and they're angling forward or back. You can do either one. Like so. Alrighty. And another thing is we're gonna draw a curve right there to make it look like the chainsaw is moving. Line, like it's actually kind of activated, and that's a really big thing to do here. And now we're gonna go over here. We're gonna draw like some scratch marks like the chainsaw is used. Then try to make them as random as you can, and then also wiggly like sauce right there. Some wiggly, you know, raspberry jam. Cool. Let's go over here, line down to the throat, line here for the back of the throat as well. And definitely, we're gonna throw a thicker line around the outside border of the whole character. Kind of just along the outside. You want it to be a little bit thicker of a line, and that is to kind of contain a lot of stuff. It's also like a style points thing, of course, but it's also to contain as much as possible. Just kind of contain things that are happening. So over here again, just going along like slightly thicker line along the outside to contain it. On here. Alrighty. Don't forget, we have coloring books. It's going to be the first link in the description. There's fun coloring books, like drawing, like pizza cats, stuff like that. And then also there's a How to Draw Cute ebook in the description. I'm working on a lot of stuff for the Gumroad. I'm going to try to really expand all the stuff for learning that I have. I'm going to do a lot more PDFs. I'm going to do a lot more, you know, kind of basics of drawing videos on there. But if not, you can also check out my Skillshare. I want to thank you very much for watching. So one thing that's really important to take away is to keep drawing. Basically, keep drawing, and your stuff's gonna gradually get better as time goes on. So thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Share the video if you enjoyed it. I really enjoyed the movies, Spider-Man and the Across Spider-Verse, and obviously Chainsaw Man, the anime. So talk to you later, and I'll see you very, very soon. Okay. Talk to you soon. Say hi to me in the comments.